Hello, I'm in a 2012 Lincoln MKT, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a lever here to pull. You pull, and that should release the safety that keeps the hood locked. Now, if you're having issues with this, you want to double check. This cable's under some tension and tightened, and if it's not, you want to address that. Now we'll go to the hood. And it should be slightly loose now since that safety was released. Most vehicle models, there's a lever somewhere towards the middle. This one's just off here to the left. And this particular one's slightly broken, but you'll push, you can see where it's snapped here, but you'll push towards the left and then lift. And that's what the part looks like it hooks to. And this is what the main part looks like, which I'll demonstrate as you pull this lever. That hook slides. Obviously this needs replaced, but sometimes you have to replace this part as well, or the cables, which are fairly inexpensive. But before that, you could try cleaning out any debris that might be in the way. Spray some WD-40 in there to loosen it up. Sometimes if parts get bent or like the hood's out of alignment, you might need to fix that as well, so you can close the hood properly. But otherwise, hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.